So you're flying to Leh? Good choice. Driving from Delhi to Leh would take days as opposed to the beautiful 1 hour flight ahead of you. You fly over the Himalayas in order to land at the Leh airport, and the views are as spectacular as you can imagine. Kushok Bakula Rimpoche Airport, aka Leh Airport, is named after the respected Kushok Bakula Rinpoche, whose 19th century incarnation was considered a significant Indian and Ladakhi statesman. With a runway length of approximately 9,000 feet, Leh sits at a height of 10,500 meters above mean sea level, making it one of the airports situated at the highest altitude in the world. With these mountains and elevation comes an extra risk involved at landing. My journey with traveling and wildlife continues, and I think I'm able to entertain you with whatever I bring to your plate. For people who are new, please support by subscribing to my channel. Kindly share this video and comment. Thank you everybody. Take care.